Hello and welcome back. We finished round number 1 and that was the most difficult part for this project. So now I want to show you how to make round number 2, which is very simple. You're making only single crochet stitches. Round 2 starts with chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Now on this side of the point we will make 2 single crochet stitches. That's the one and that's the second one. Now this is here the top of your point. On the top of your point you make 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch, and on this side you will make 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch. To finish the valley of the star, we will go to your eye of the star and you will do slip stitch, just like that. So that's one point completed. Now we're repeating the same process. We are making 2 single crochet stitches on this side of the point. The second single crochet stitch is tricky because you do not have a lot of loops there, and sometimes the second single crochet stitch you want to place already in the point of the star. And I will show you in the next point exactly what you have to look for. So here we're making our 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch, and we're finishing with the slip stitch in the valley. Okay, so let's show a little bit more that difficult, tricky part. So first single crochet is easy to spot. The second single crochet, it's harder to spot because you have these all loops together. So this is your single crochet here, and this is your point. It's very close to each other and sometimes is missed. So it's very important that you place your point exactly where it's supposed to be. So let's do this again. Second single crochet stitch, and in the point we are making 2 single crochet stitches. So this is my first one and my second one. On this side of the point we are making 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch, and we're finishing with the eye of the star with the slip stitch. So I hope this is kind of clear now, but if you have any questions or struggling with this part of this project, please leave them in the comment and I will try to guide you even more. Again, we're looking for the points and we're making increase because we're making 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch. If I'm too fast, slow down the video, go to your settings and work in your own pace. And slip stitch. We have 1 more to go. Once we complete all 5, your project is done. You can hang these as a nice ornament for winter. I like using them as my window decoration. And again, let me show you this point here. 1, 2, and that's your point. This is your center, this stitch. That's exactly center. So when I attach my ribbon, I attach to that stitch. So they look very nice as a decoration, how I said, but I also use them sometimes as a decoration for the gift. Now let me show you how to close this little loop. If I place my hook in the eye center of my last star, I will have this gap here. So what I do, instead of just placing my hook here, I will go to my first star, pick up that loop, and place my hook first through that loop and then through the opening of the eye. Then I make a slip stitch and I connect these two pieces together. And that's completely optional. You can use your needle and thread this yarn tail through to close the gap as well. This is just how I work these. Now I just need to hide my yarn tail, and I always use number 3 embroidery needle so I can go between fibers. You want to recreate this last stitch so everything looks identical on every side. And of course you can make this in any color you wish. White for the wedding or winter, colorful for the kids' room, especially if they love space and universe. Truly you can decorate anything with these, and they're very easy to make, I think. But you let me know. Was this easy project for you? Did you need more instruction for it? If you do like written patterns, I have written patterns for this star as well. And also I have different projects using this exactly star. You can make festive coasters for 4th of July party, or you can make the whole United States flag. Right now I want to say thank you for crocheting with me and supporting my channel and my work. I really like spending time with you, so if you have any other projects in mind you need help with, let me know and I will create tutorial for you. Have fun creating these. Let me know if you can, what color did you choose and how many did you make. This is fun project working with kids or grandkids, so just enjoy and have fun creating every stitch. I hope I will see you next time.